go behind it. Yeah, it looks like the same plug to me.
Last night, I just did, I got the bottom plate the right size, and then just zoomed in to where my template fit right over it.
Yeah.
And then I just taped the other template on the screen and
what does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with.
Alright guys, picking up where we left off on this. I got the Kenwood Clarion installed, but then it didn't work because the amplifier was what actually was broken. So I got this Axis amplifier replacement here for JBL synthesis systems with adjustable input gain. So we're going to go ahead and get this soldered in, get this CD player functioning. Or head unit, I guess you call them nowadays.
We're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Guys, what's up? Just got back from the barber shop, feeling much better having my haircut. I hate having it all bushy. But alright, today we're going to be working on my 4RUNNER, my 4th generation 4RUNNER. It's a 2004. And I'm going to put a SOUNDMAN Enterprises iPad dash in it. It's going to be awesome. I got the iPad a couple weeks ago used. You know, no reason to go buy a new one, but it's an iPad 3rd generation mini with the, what's it called, cellular on it, so I can hook it up on my plan so I can stream Pandora and Spotify and stuff like that and use it for a deck. I got, in our last episode, I got the CD player installed in the truck, or Kenwood Exclarion, I think is how you say it. I'm probably saying it wrong. But we got that in there, and then we got the iPad mount from SOUNDMAN. I got that opened up in the last episode there. So we can go ahead. I got some CA glue. It's not from Mobile Solutions, because on Amazon they didn't have any in stock. So I used this other brand, but CA glue is CA glue. And then I got some 3N epoxy to put on it, some plastic epoxy, because you know it is a flexible panel. So that way you'll never have cracks after the body work is done. So let's get right into this, guys, and let's get the parts pulled up the 4RUNNER, and let's get the iPad dash out from SOUNDMAN, and let's go ahead and glue it together and get started. Let's do this.
Trying to find a way to make it easier to say.
Okay, homies, just a quick little update here. I'm going to go ahead and trim all the edges off this. Cut these all down as small as I can. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Cut that as close as I can to the vent. Cut that smooth. Cut this up. And then probably cut this in a little, and then I think I'm gonna actually leave the climate control in it. You know, all this pops out. Well, there's no reason for that. That can stay in it just like this. Come on, one hand. Okay, see? It just pops in those holes, pops in here, and then that's a part of what secures this, you know, the deck, the head unit, and then so that'll clip in. So I'm going to go ahead and permanently clip this in here and then screw it down, and then I'm going to cut this top edge off too. And then I'll have it sit in here like. We'll see. I'm going to probably have to cut it down here on the edges and then like move the whole thing down. Just a little bit like that. We'll see. We have to start by cutting down the iPad kit. SOUNDMAN Enterprises. Made in America. Just saying. Alright. Let's start cutting material.
There's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't want to share you with nobody else. Give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you
Yeah, look at that. Done. I did it again. Justin came over and helped me finish this up. We got the SOUNDMAN Enterprises iPad mini side slider kit tacked in here with some CA glue. And then we got the climate control. We permanently mounted that. That's going to be glued in. There's no reason for that to come in and out. It can be plugged in when I clip this panel on. But yeah, we're looking pretty good. I need to order up some 3M plastic epoxy. I have some panel bonding adhesive and some seam sealer, but I need that epoxy because, you know, all this is plastic. You use that on there and then none of it can crack. Like in the past when you just glue these together and use Rage Gold Extreme, a crack would always develop while doing this. So when you use the epoxy, it's plastic, it's all plastic, it all flex together and stuff. So I need to order up some of that off Amazon and then I'll be able to finish this up. So we're looking pretty good, guys. Awesome. Guys, killer. We got the dash pad mount pretty much done. We got the SOUNDMAN Enterprises iPad mini slider kit tacked in there with some CA glue, and then we took the climate control unit and instead of it being clipped in, we moved it down a good 1/2 inch and we went ahead and glued it in too. And then I need to order up some 3M panel bond, or not, 3M plastic epoxy is what it is. It's like white looking when you pump it out. And then I need to put that all around the backside perimeter and through all the gaps that you guys saw. And then we'll sand that smooth. And then we'll use Rage Gold Extreme over that. We'll body work the whole panel until it's done. And then we'll primer it. We'll wet sand it. We'll primer it again. Then we're going to take it over to Apex Collision, and I'm going to have them color match it to the 4RUNNER's paint job, to the factory paint code, for that, the console, and there's like some pieces that go in, and the door panels, I'll pop them out too, and I'll get it all done at once. That'll be pretty cool. That truck's, I've been neglecting it for a long time, so it's nice to be able to put some work into it again and get some upgrades here to bring it into 2018. So yeah guys, when we pick up back on this, I'll get that 3M plastic epoxy, and then we'll continue working on this, guys. Thanks for watching today. I hope you guys like the episode, a little bit different than the fabrication stuff we're always doing every day. And then please leave a comment, let me know what you think of it. And then you guys know the spiel. You like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do. Thank you guys so much for your support, your constant support as always, guys, and thanks to all the people joining the channel and the new subscribers. It's really cool to see the channel growing. But anyways, thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for your constant support as always. Again, I can't say it enough. And then if you guys like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/cougarhousegarage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along there with all the crazy projects. We'll catch you tomorrow.